Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with a one box break of 14-15 Panini National Treasures basketball. We've randomized the names, so now just a break. Leland has an ad, so we're going to go slow here. And Scott, I like that. McRibbit. We'll take our time so Leland can get back. I'd like to see a nice logo man for you guys. Something crazy. A nice Wiggins, even a Jabari Parker would be sick. See if I can get this open here. Cut. There we go. All right, Leland, I waited for you, brother. Looks a little thick. I don't know if that means anything or not. We will soon find out. Good luck, everyone. I want to pull you guys something crazy here. We started off with a Monta Ellis, 66 of 99. Monta Ellis for the Dallas Mavericks going to Robert. That's an autograph. Okay, so I'm assuming all the base. Is this a? We got a 1 of 1. Ho, home of the 1 of 1. We're gonna put that to the back. Brandon Knight, NBA Game Gear for the Phoenix Suns, 30 of 99. Mario. Nice hit, Mario. And here's another 99. Julius, wow, that's a nice patch. Julius Randle for the Lakers, 97 of 99, and just a sick patch. Los Angeles Lakers, Scott. All right, we got NBA Game Gear. Wow, another nice patch. This one to 25, 23 of 25. Sean Bradley for the Philadelphia 76ers, Aaron. That's okay. I'm still home on the 1 of 1. This is going to go this way. Bob Dandridge. 10 of 75 for the Milwaukee Bucks. Scott, you're cleaning up. And what the? Really? Panini put in points in National Treasures? All right, we're going to randomize after the break. This one is 3 of 5. Whoa! Adidas logo. Al Horford. Nice hit, number 3 of 5. And that's going to the Atlanta Hawks, Michael L. Michael's got an ad. I'll have to show that when he comes back. Whoa, nice. Kevin McHale patch. Number 17 of 25 for the Boston Celtics. That's going to Steven C. Not Steve C. Steven C. He's a first time with us. Congrats, buddy. Very nice hit. We have an auto number to 10. 6 of 10 for the Celtics as well. James Young. James Young, that's also going to Stephen C. How Mike saw that. Okay, Mike, good. I'm glad you saw it. And last card before the 101. Number 299. Oh, the Monte Ellis. Okay, we've seen the Monte already. So here's the printing plate. For the Chicago Bulls, Joakim Noah. And that's going to Ty B. All right. So, Mike, I don't know if you saw this. You hit this, buddy, number 3 of 5. I'm going to have to randomize these points. So, man, that was a nice box. I'm liking National Treasures. All right, so we'll randomize 6 times on the points, and whoever's at the top will get them. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, no, my bad. This is 5 right here. And now 6. I guess random didn't do it so well. All right, Scott T, you got the points. Congrats, brother. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check me out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow me on